Another interesting mechanism which might be related to how the brain have evolved is social life. So if we look at the size of groups of humans living together, we see that somewhere around here, which is 250, 200,000 years ago, there seems to be a rapid increase in the size of groups of people living together, suggesting that there might be some interaction between the groups that have given some evolutionary advantages. Some also suggest that at one point, somewhere around 70,000 years ago, there was a volcano which reduced the population of all humans to somewhere around 10,000 people. So that could have given some back turn, but then it has rapidly increased to somewhere around 1 million people estimated in the whole on the whole Earth, and then it has never exceeded 50 million people before the invention of agriculture, somewhere around 10,000 years ago. And if you look at the whole population on the Earth, you will see that around the time of the invention of agriculture, there is a rapid increase in the population size in the Earth, or on the Earth. So just doing hunting and gathering is, of course, a way of living which doesn't allow too many people to live at the same in the same area. And that may also be an explanation to why a lot of our abilities, they have evolved a lot at that time, so from 10,000 years ago and until now. If we look at what then the brain has been able to produce, then we have actually found some very sophisticated artworks which are 35,000 years old, as cave paintings in France. They are some of the most famous ones, and these cave paintings suggest at least that the humans who have made them are able to sort of go beyond their immediate needs and be able to rationalize and think and make abstract thinking about their relation to animals, and they may even have, they have very likely had some kind of spiritual life at this point, so they have believed in something, and that's something that goes at least beyond some of the previous examples of humans, of the Homo races. So there hasn't been any similar artifacts found, for instance, from Neanderthals, which was the race that lived before the modern human race. And also, I mean, some of these female figurines, they also give some idea about their ideas of fertility, and even 40,000 years ago they were also able to make music, so a very abstract way of communicating with each other. If we look then at comparisons, that's actually human Homo sapiens are the only ones who've been able to produce these sorts of abstract works of expressing themselves. So there is some evidence suggesting that Neanderthals were able to have an idea of some afterlife after death. So at least they have buried their relatives and they have given them flowers in their grave. But that's about the level where they have been able to express themselves in more refined, abstract ways.